Hey Chris, it's Josh Spetzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. So the main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. And before I get into all that, I just want to compliment you on your website. You got a pretty good looking website. I like the logo up there at the top left, and most importantly, I like how your tabs are all organized up here. All right. Yeah, pictures look good. Yeah, you got some high quality ones. Yeah, it looks good. You got some contact buttons. Go to your contact page, right on. Pretty good looking website. But here's some things I noticed. You need more content on your website. You need at least 1,500 words on your website. And when I plugged your words into this word counter, you came up to 621 on this homepage. And this is the reason why you need at least 1,500. So Google throws out robots. These robots, they go and crawl through the content on your website looking for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what is a keyword? A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So I'll go back up to here to fence company, Charleston, South Carolina, fence installation, Charleston, Charleston fence company, Charleston wood fence, etc. Anything like that tailored to your service area and niche, that counts as a keyword. All right. And another little trick I like to do is when your images on your website, you can actually do the save image as and put a keyword. Oh, there we go. Wood fencing, Charleston, South Carolina. Perfect. So you, do you get someone doing SEO for you? Because that is perfect. Horizontal fencing, Charleston, South Carolina. Perfect. I want to make sure all these. Perfect. Aluminum fencing, South Carolina. Right on, man. So whoever did your website actually did some on-site SEO, which is amazing, but still implement some more content in there because you're not ranking yet. The second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And what is a backlink? A backlink is literally anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins from the people wins the number 1 spot at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevancy to your industry, and local websites will work best. So when I went onto your Ahrefs account, Ahrefs, however you want to pronounce it, it is a paid tool, I will say, but you can find other SEO tools like SEO Quake and or SEMrush. Those are a couple of free tools to try to do this on your own. So you have 4 referring domains, 6 backlinks. Your competition, they have 69 referring domains and 350 backlinks. Your competition is Carolina Fence Company because when you type in Fence Company Charleston, South Carolina, they're the first to pop up organically, and they also pop up the map pack. So they got the double win right there. They know what they're doing. All right. So what you really want to do is add some more backlinks in there, but it's important to really get that relevancy and integrity of those backlinks so it actually gets to your DR of the website. All right. The best explanation I can kind of give for relevancy is let's think of a magazine. Would you rather be on the cover of Best Fence USA, or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizza USA? Best Fence, 100%, because you have nothing to do with pizzas. Even though you like pizzas, pizza's not what's going to make you money, right? So just a little bit of perspective, I want to go back over to your competitor's Ahrefs account, and you can see their organic traffic. So their organic traffic is 464 a month. And let's just do some quick math. Let's say you lowball only close 10% of that. 10% of 464 times what you charge for fences. You're talking about some pretty big bang for your buck. All right. So that's what I'm talking about when I need backlinks. The third thing I want to talk about is citations. The citations is actually how you get ranked in this map pack here. So what is a citation? Citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. It has to be exactly per your Google business profile. It doesn't need to be your wife's number. It doesn't need to be your home phone number. It has to be exactly what's on your business profile. And we kind of like to shorten that with what we call a NAP, name, address, phone number. So anywhere you put the NAP in, consider it a citation. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. All right. So that's what I'm talking about for this map pack. And I'm just going to go into this map pack. I believe I found you on the first page. Yes, the first page of the Google Map Pack. So, which isn't bad. Not bad at all. That's awesome. But we don't want you just on the first page. We want you in this top 3 spots. So when people are searching for Fence Company Charleston, South Carolina, your company is already on their mind here and here. All right? So before I end this video, I just want to recap the 3 things we went over today. So the first thing was content. add about 1,500 words on your homepage and implement a lot of those high volume keywords. And I'll just go to your competitors' organic keywords, for example. If it'll load. Come on. All right, perfect. Fence Company, Charleston, South Carolina, 150 searches a month. Fence Company, Charleston, South Carolina, 150. Charleston Fence, 300. Charleston Fence Company, 150. Fence Installation, Charleston, South Carolina, 200. So these are all searches of volume per month. So implement a lot of these keywords into your website and try to get those backlinks. And so backlinks was the second thing we went over. Add more relevancy, high integrity backlinks to show Google that you are the authority and you deserve that #1 spot. Third thing was citations. Add about 200, 300 of these bad boys in there and you are going to be untouchable in that top 3 spot. All right. So this is literally what I do for a living. If you find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is Josh. My number is 904-383-8479. Please feel free to reach out as my door is always open, and just all I ask is a nice review from this video, and I really hope it helps. Have a great day, Chris.